Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can go check out the link in the description of the YouTube video, or look in the post, and there'll be a coupon code and all that good stuff, so go ahead and do that if you want to get one of these. Yeah, these have all sorts of different Japanese ramen and otherwise interesting tidbits inside. Let's crack it open and see what's in here. Oh, would you look at that? So the first thing you'll see when you crack open one of these boxes is this pamphlet. Inside, it contains descriptions and information on cooking and backgrounds of each one of these varieties. So if you don't know how to cook these or read Japanese, this is going to be indispensable for you, so don't lose it. And also there's a recipe card. I made this recipe a while back, and let's just say it was interesting. Alright, so I'm going to go through everything in this box and tell you a little bit about it. Alright, the first thing we have is some mushroom rice. So they've been putting these little cups in with these Umai crates for a little while now, and they're generally really quite good. I'm not super keen on mushrooms, but yeah, they've got a little bit of weight to them. You just microwave them for a few seconds and they spring to life, and yeah, they're pretty good. And then we have a variety from Yamamoto Typhoon. This is Father Tanuki's Secret Spicy Tonkatsu. And what's interesting about this is they keep changing the title for this one. But yeah, I've reviewed this. I don't know, maybe it is a little different. I don't think so. But I will say this one actually is really, really good. So this is a score. And another variety from Yamamoto Typhoon. This is a fried tofu udon. They put this one in quite a bit. I'm not a big fan, just so you know, but you might like it. And then here's one from Igarashi, and this is a light soy sauce kitakata style. This one is vegan friendly, and it uses a fried noodle. These generally are really quite good. Liquid sauce in here for the soup base, and yeah. And here's one from Toei. This is a non-cup. It's a round noodle block, and yeah, it's in a pack instead of a bowl. This is a green onion variety, negi. That's the Japanese translation of green onion, spring onion, scallion, all the same thing. And I don't remember if I liked this one or not, but I think I did like this one. I'm generally not too keen on the non-cup varieties, but I think I did like this one. And here's one from Kenko Foods. This is a sauce yakisoba. Sauce yakisoba just means it's just yakisoba, the standard that kind of has that Worcestershire hit to it. This one's pretty good. It's not bad. They tout 100% vegetable oil being used in these, so that's a good thing, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, yakisoba, it's always good. And then here's one from Itsuki. This is a repackaging for export. This is Kumamoto Tonkatsu Ramen. They're calling it black sesame oil ramen. This is really, really good. Nice straight noodle, perfect with soft-boiled egg and some chashu. And earlier we had mushroom rice. Now we have mushroom soup. Maybe you could mix them together. I don't know if you like mushrooms. Yeah, it's a little mushroom cup with soup, and yeah, that's it. And finally we come to the bonus item, and this, look at that guy. That's Kuraman. He's the spokes creature thing from Kumamoto province or prefecture in Japan. And this is a pack of salted seaweed. You could use it as a garnish for your ramen creations and such. So that's pretty cool. It says it's premium. Alright, so in this, the February 2023 Umai crate, you get mushroom soup, mushroom rice, tonkatsu, yakisoba, something from Tanuki's dad, green onion soba, shoyu ramen, udon, seaweed, a recipe for treats, and your informational pamphlet. Yeah, and if you want to get one of these boxes, check the description, check the post, and you'll be able to get a little discount. And yeah, very cool. Alright, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.